You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me, and I appreciate that. To all the new people stopping by my channel, hi you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you're notified each time I post a video. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey y'all. If you guys are new here, my name is Jessica, and most people call me Jess. And welcome to my channel, Jess Living Life. Y'all, today is Friday. It's 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 Friday, but I got a lot of stuff that I gotta get done. Okay? These youngins are off to school. Joe just took them to school. And I'm getting ready to go do the laundry. The goal is, since all the laundry is done, it's washed, it's dried, all I have to do is fold it. We're gonna get that done today, okay? Because I am not trying to be cleaning up and doing all of the things on a Saturday and Sunday. Not gonna do it. So we're gonna get things done today, okay? So we need to get some grocery shopping done. We need to get the laundry done. We need to just spot touch some of these things, clean the bathrooms, and most importantly, y'all, I gotta work. And Carmen has tutoring today, and so she has that at 6 o'clock. So I'm just trying to get done as much as I can now because ain't nobody got time for that. And then when I finish with tutoring with her, I can chill. I can enjoy my nights and enjoy my weekend, because this is probably gonna be the only free weekend we have this month. And ain't nobody got time for that. So we're gonna savor this, okay? And of course, in true fashion, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope your week was non-eventful. Hopefully them kids ain't getting on y'all's nerves and pushing them buttons and y'all drinking y'all water. Cause we're trying to have clear skin all 2025, okay? So let me go ahead and take y'all with me because y'all ain't gonna be distracting me today. Let's go on up these stairs and get this laundry done. That's the first thing. So let's go on up here, y'all. Y'all, I got a question. So I have been watching The Secret Life of Mormon Wives. Have y'all been watching that on Hulu? Y'all, I'm so obsessed with that show. Let me know down in the comments below, like, who's your favorite? Like, I will say Jesse and Demi are definitely my favorites. I'm just now getting on season 2, and I think I'm starting episode 2. My sister keeps telling me that my mindset for Demi is going to change. So we are going to see. But I'm so obsessed, y'all. I started following them on Instagram. And speaking of Instagram, you guys should make sure that you are following me too. Trying to build my community over on Instagram as well. But y'all, I'm so invested in this show. Let me know down in the comments below, what is your guilty pleasure show that you guys are watching? Y'all know I love a good binge watch, so leave it down in the comments below.
On my time, yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time, my time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court, me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions, hold still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court, me first, you. Delivered it. Joe's bringing in the Food Line haul. We got
grass-fed ground beef, sugar, a 12 count of green beans, 2 24 packs of eggs, and toilet tissue. So that's what we got from Costco. That was about $80, give or take. So yeah, so that's what we got. So we're gonna go ahead and put this up and then go get the groceries from the door from Joe. All right, y'all, so we are, let me pan y'all up a little bit. 1 second. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and do the haul as we go because I'm gonna be putting up this stuff as I go. So first things first, you guys, I got some gold medal flour. I got 2 of those for cookies, syrup, Wonder Bread for some sandwiches, and then I got a whole bunch of cheese, y'all. We were all out of our shredded cheese, so I got these. So I got taco cheese, Parmesan, mozzarella sharp, Colby, mild, Mexican, Colby. I can't remember if I said that. Sharp, all the cheeses, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and re-up on these. And then I also got some sliced cheese because I may be making some hamburgers. So hold on, y'all. I'm gonna put syrup, not sure if I told y'all that. Mayo, ranch, and some more mustard and whipped cream. So let me go ahead and put this in there. So whipped sour cream, 2 things of cinnamon rolls. Got the kids some marshmallows, a thing of whole milk, and this isn't even all the haul, y'all.
Mommy, I want to try those.
Nora, can you wait just a minute, please? And then we got garlic bread. Nora wants some cereals, and so I'm getting ready to fix that. So got Lucky Charms and then the Fruit Loops, and then also got some plain Lay's potato chips because that's what Carmen wanted. Let me fix her some cereal real quick, and then I'll show you guys what else I got.
That.
Do you need help?
Yeah. Help me get that. Whoa. Look at that right here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, there's Noah. I got a buggy. Hi. You want try? Oh. Yeah. Hey, here. No.
Here's your cereal.
Milk, you got milk on it?
Yes, I have milk on it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, I got 2 packs of granola bars. One 18 pack is peanut butter. One 18 pack is chocolate chip because I like the chocolate chip. I got Nora her oranges. So I got 3 packs of those.
Mommy. Take the car.
Nora! 4 packs of these Kool-Aid jammers. The kids love the grape ones. 2 of these ice cream sandwiches, the M&M ones. Leah loves those. I also got 2 packs of rice, just in case. Because you know, things getting a little crazy around here, y'all. So you gotta make sure that you are stocked up. 2 of this crayon pineapple for Leah. And I got 4 packs of the Blue Bonnet. And grits, of course. Drumsticks, Carmen requested those. Let's see what else we got over here. Pancake mix, 2 of these.
Look.
I see 3 barbecue sauces. 2 bottles of Frank's Red Hot. One is the buffalo wing sauce and the other one is the original. I plan on making some buffalo chicken dip. More ranch. Italian dressing. I'm gonna be making some pasta salad. And I got another box of cereal, y'all. But all in all, with Food Lion, I spent $270. Oh, I got Joe some almond milk too. Oh, y'all, I got more stuff over here. Spaghetti sauce, 2 things of spaghetti sauce. Taco pack. Italian seasoning, 2 of those. 2 things of honey. Don't judge me. I just got the Food Lion brand. I know you're supposed to buy local. Got that. 2 things of almond milk for Joe. And Smart Food popcorn, the white cheddar. So now back to what I was saying. All in all, y'all, I spent $270 at Food Lion. So let's recap, shall we? $270 at Food Lion, $75 at Kroger, $100 at Dollar General, and $100 at Costco, basically. So all in all, what, that's like almost, so 270, 370, 470. I basically spent $600 on groceries. But that is me restocking and buying extra. So we should be good. Especially, we're coming up on the end of school year, so we definitely need to be making sure that we're stocking up, because these kids are going to be home for literally 2.5 seconds because they're going to the different camps this summer, so they really won't be home for real. But definitely with me restocking, this toilet paper should last us like 6 months, because I already have all of the bathrooms stocked with toilet paper, but my oversupply was running low. So a lot of this stuff, like I said, is just extra, so I'm not really complaining. But I'm getting ready to put all this stuff up and then finish adding my regular decor back to all of the places. Joe is outside taking care of the outside. He's mowing the grass. I do need to make a run because I gotta get some more soil for my plant. But yeah, so let me go ahead and put this stuff up before it starts thawing out. Okay, so it's me and Nora Bora. You gonna tell the people, hey Nora? We are heading to Home Depot really quick. I gotta get some soil for, oh, excuse me, soil. Yeah, we're going to the store so I can get some soil for my plant. It's actually my grandma's plant, but she gave it to me. So I'm getting ready to plant that or pot that in the house. And I don't have enough soil. So we're gonna do that. Get back home, finish cleaning up, and somebody will need to take a NAP. And yeah, I can get me some lunch. I can sit down for just a minute and do what I need to do, and then go ahead and go on about my day. Leah's already gone with her best friend. I don't know when she's coming back, yeah. But they are gone, and Carmen's at home with Joe. So I'm talking about somebody may need an NAP. I may need one. So it's just me and my big girl, right, Nora? Yeah, and we're gonna head on. We're almost there, so it won't take us too long. which is good. I do want to work out today because my knee and my meniscus is feeling a lot better. I don't want to go too crazy, so I may just do like a 30-minute Pilates video. But that's what I'm thinking. Because I want to at least work out, but I don't want to do too much. You know what I mean? Jelly bean. So yeah. Go ahead and do that. Get me a nice hot shower. Relax for the rest of the day. And I can't believe it, my battery is blinking, y'all. So I may lose y'all in a little bit. But we are almost to Home Depot. And she hanging on back up now. So we're going to go ahead and get what we need and head on back to the house. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Now, didn't I say that somebody was going to need a NAP? Y'all, look at this. Now I got to carry her into this store. Y'all, I'm so annoyed. Look at this. Let me go in here and get what I need to put her back in a car. Y'all, this child here. Let me go ahead and go. I just told her don't fall asleep. I didn't pull in the thing fast enough. Y'all, let me get her. All right, y'all. So the last project of the day, well, at least for this vlog, is going to be hanging up these canvases. And so we purchased these canvases earlier this year. Joe actually purchased them, but purchased the wrong size. So these are a 16 by 20. And the ones we have in the den, I want to say they're like a 24 by 30. I can't remember. But nonetheless, we ended up getting the bigger ones for the den, and then we were stuck with these smaller ones. And so if you know, we have a lot of pictures around in the house, but we don't have a lot in our bedroom. So I decided to hang these canvases up in the bedroom, so that way we at least put them to good use. Y'all, I really love how these canvases turned out in the room. It's definitely a good touch, and it kind of gives that personal feel in our bedroom. But y'all, this is going to be it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload, you guys. And until next time, you guys, I will see you on the next one and talk to you soon. Bye.